Organizations often store marketing assets in cloud-based storage services like Google Drive. Hootsuite integrates with many cloud apps, enabling users to access assets directly from the Hootsuite dashboard, making sharing and collaboration faster. From the Hootsuite app directory, install the app and follow the prompts to connect your account with your Hootsuite dashboard. Once installed, a dedicated app stream will be created. Here, you can create new folders, upload new assets, and search for specific files. To add another app under the same tab, select App, then the relevant cloud service to populate it with assets. Click the paperclip to create a new message with the specific asset, or share a direct link to a file. Sharing a direct link is useful because the link will remain stable even if the document is updated. The Stream view also makes it easier to gather user-generated content. If you see an image you like, simply save it, click Uploads, and add it to the cloud. Another place you can access cloud assets is in the Composer, to quickly add an image or video into a new social message. Draft your message, then open the media library and select the relevant app. Re-authenticate your account if necessary, then attach an asset to your message. And finally, the third place you'll find your cloud assets is under Content Sources.